to show you how to replace the door viewer / peephole in your door, because mine got scratched up. It's also a little bit smaller than I want it to be. I wanted to have a better view from it, or view on it. So here we go. This is my new door viewer. Has two parts. It's really simple. It takes a little while right there. So we have the front and the back. And when you have a existing one, basically just unscrew it, take it out, and pop a new one in. But I'll show you how.